see where this one's from.
Our urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Medina County. This includes the city of Medina. Wayne County. This includes the cities of Worcester, Rittman, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles north of Lodi or 8 miles west of Medina, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to West Salem, Creston, Wadsworth, Doylestown, or Millen-Dalton. This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO 94.